Static is the invisible enemy of the perfect paint finish. The stat gun effectively eliminates static by producing ionized air which neutralizes static charges on work surfaces, enabling painters to achieve the best results possible with minimal effort. Many painters think that static is only present on plastics and only causes dust and dirt issues, but there are many more benefits to removing all static charges during a job. Static is an electromagnetic charge caused mainly during preparation of surfaces, not just on the raw substrate, but also between applications of different materials. Left untreated, static charge on surfaces can affect the way metallic particles in the paint behave. Metallic particles in paint should do two things. 1. Distribute evenly within the paint film. 2. Have a random orientation. This ensures even coverage and maximum reflection of light. The higher the static charge, the more the metallics are forced upright, losing their random orientation. In the same way a magnet affects iron shavings. When static levels vary across substrates and even across a repair area, where there is a higher static charge, the metallic will reflect less light due to the reduced surface area. This, in turn, causes that area to appear darker than nose adjacent. One of the most common examples of static causing color matching issues is bumpers that appear darker than the body of the car. Plastic always charges more highly than metal because it is an insulator and not a conductor. When metallics lay differently on one surface compared to another, it creates a difference in the appearance of that color. Stat gun should be used on all substrates to ensure that the many different levels of static you will encounter will always be taken to zero right before you start application of material. Correcting these imperfections once they happen is possible with the right skill level, but it means more material and time must be used in order to correctly color match, in turn increasing costs and affecting booth times and ultimately productivity. To save time, lower material usage, and increase booth throughput, order the Static Solution Stat Gun today. For more information, visit www.statgun.com.